Hello and welcome to this video right here. This is going to be an unboxing for the Age of Sigmar Stormcast Eternals Thunderstrike Brootherhood, if I do remember. So, genuinely not opened it like I normally do. So we'll have a little cut into this one. I'll give it a pause. These are my very manly scissors right over here. We're going to have a little cut into that. I know I'm not really doing it the most sensible way. Let's open it up. I should be able to do the rest by hand in this respect. Come on, you demon. Or I say I should be able to. Obviously I'm wrong. Sweet. So what have we got in here? Right. An extra bit of cardboard. Cool. Yeah, so I did want to say, I got this from the Toy Gift Emporium on eBay, and it says, yeah, basically it's their website as well, but I got it on eBay, so I'll be having a little look at this later. But these guys, I literally ordered it, and on eBay usually you get the first day, or basically usually waiting 2 or 3 days for them to even acknowledge that they've got it and then send it out. Usually you're looking at about a week, but these guys literally got it within 48 hours as paid for delivery. Actually, I tell a lie. It was free delivery, but as advertised, it was 48 hours. So, 1 second. So, as you can see here, this is the Stormcast Eternals, if I can get it out. Stormcast Eternals, Thunderstrike Brootherhood, 18 Citadel miniatures. Sigmar. Obviously, we've got Vandus Hammerhand from the original starter set. Got some Retributors. Where is he hiding? Another one there. Another one there. There's the Prime. So you only get 3. I'm looking to get another 2. Hopefully I might be getting one from Jim Bob. He's given me his that he got in the Storm of Sigmar, which you can no longer get. I'll be looking to get some more Retributors to finish them off. So you get 3 Judicators, is it? Possibly. What's his name? The Relictor. And obviously the guy on the oh, there we go. Lord Celestant on riding Dracoth. Lord Relictor, 3 Retributors, 5 Liberators, 5 Liberators, and 3 Prosecutors. Also includes a Warscrew Battalion for Thunderstrike Brootherhood, so we'll have a quick look at that. Principally, this set is actually better than the previous one. You got 1 guy on the foot instead of a Dracoth. You got 5 Liberators. You got 2 Retributors, I do believe. I might be wrong. Could be 2 or 3. And you got them, and you didn't get him. So this is way worth it compared to that. Yeah, so it's basically telling you about how to paint them. I probably won't be using this exact whatchamacallit. Maybe, who knows. Let's give it an open. Let's open the darn thing up. There's nothing left in there. So that's one side. We have got the, which is, I'm assuming, instructions booklet. Yep, so it's telling you how to put them together. This is the easy to build, which is easy then. Hopefully should have it done within an hour or so from when I start. I'm debating whether to actually attach this before painting. Who knows whether I will or not. I'm lazy, so I probably just will do it. That's how to build Dracoth. And here we have the Thunderstrike Brootherhood Warscrew Battalion, which is obviously all the units in there. You add 1 to the bravery characteristics while they're within 6 inches of another same battalion. Lightning Strike, instead of setting up in the Warscrew Battalion, you can set it to one side and say that they're within Celestial Realm as a reserve unit. You can set up 1 reserve Celestial Realm. Blah, blah, blah. You can read it. You can pause it. My English is failing. Yeah, more than 9 inches. There we go. Vandus Hammerhand, which should be pretty swish. And there's a painting guide as well there, which is always good. And then we've got the, I'm assuming French, but we won't be reading that quite clearly. And then we've got the English Retributors, Prosecutors, Liberators rules. I can't remember if these are exactly up to date. They look like it. They look like the new thing is. I think the rest of this is just in different languages. I mean, obviously, if you want me to do a video where I show you them, if you're from a different country, I'll do a quick one maybe. I'll put some pictures on my Facebook group. But there you go. So that's the little booklet. Chucking that to one side too. We have, I'm guessing, 1 million bases. All the big beastie bases, always good. So we'll put them to one side without losing them. And we shall have a little look. So this is the, I'm guessing, so the part of this is obviously the prosecutor dudes. Thinking this is a liberator. Yeah, because we've got shields there as well. So this must be part of the shield, so we'll pop that to one side. Then we have the good old beastie Vandus Hammerhand on Decals. There's a little tail over here. Got quite a lot of detail on them. I'm looking forward to painting them. Hopefully I won't hate painting them. That's his beautiful face right there, you can see. That's his cape. Big old claw, I think that's from the Decals, is it? Unless that's his hand, at which point beastie. That's that. Put that to one side too. We've got a identical sprue. Or looks to be identical sprue. The Liberators and Prosecutor wings, I guess. Ah, and there's a Prosecutor there. Flying about, as they do. And then we've got the last sprue, so it's 4 sprues. I'll pick the darn thing up. Let's try and get into this. There we go. More Prosecutor wings. I'm guessing that's another Liberator. Prosecutor flying there. I'm not keen on the little base thing. I'm not keen on how stable they look, but I mean it's relatively thick. What's it look at? Relatively thick. It's not super thin. We'll have to be super gentle with these guys. I'm guessing a Retributor prime's back. There's the Lord Relictor's staff thing. His little hand. And what looks like a prime Liberators. So principally, overall, the like detailed miniatures, I probably won't be doing these white. I think it was Warhammer Will. He did his blue and I like the look of it, so I probably will do that. Unless I go loony and change my mind. And here we have another base, well, obviously Vandus. And we have, pardon the coughing, the transfers. So there's the ones in black, and it looks like not quite identical. One's in white, so it's hard to see. But there's like little stars, moons, and the twin-tailed comets here, smaller ones. We've got like a, I don't know what the hell that shape is. Like a cog thing. It looks like a dreadnought foot. I'm not gonna lie to you. You can see it. Like, that's like the black one's there. It's like a dreadnought's foot. Actually, no. Do you know what? These are identical. I'm a bit of a moron. But basically, the white one's just below them. But yeah, it does look like a dreadnought's foot. Tell me it doesn't. And then it's like a 3-pronged thing. So that's basically the unboxing. And that's just a black box. Tell me what you thought. And hopefully we'll see more videos, obviously like this one, where we'll see in the series of the Stormcast Eternals, hopefully when they've been built, and maybe when they've been painted. And hopefully you'll see a battle report shortly, because they should be relatively easy to paint. Fingers crossed. Famous last words. Yep, we'll call it there. If you haven't already hit the subscribe button, do it. And the bell button, I think it's down this side, isn't it? With your Star Soul Mace, and you'll see more videos like this very video here. Thank you very much, and good day.